And as we continue, I'm just going to start saucing these. Yeah, don't go too heavy because, you know, you're trying to waste that. And all you would do is hit them a flippy flip, like so. Get them nice and saucy in there. The last time I teased these wings on Instagram, and all of this is honey hot wings. Everybody wanted the recipe for the sauce, and this is not Caribbean. There's nothing Caribbean about this, so you won't find this recipe on CaribbeanPot.com. So if you go down into the description, you'll see everything that I used. Anyways, we've got butter, and I like using salted butter. You will see a lot of recipes call for unsalted butter. But since I'm using salted butter, I'm not going to use any salt in this. However, if you're using unsalted butter, I would recommend, just to pick the flavors, just to peak it just a little bit more, to go in with about half a teaspoon of sea salt. My stove is off. My pot is cold. So what I want to do is turn on my stove and gently start bringing this butter down. Let it melt. And I kid you not, 4 ingredients, yeah? We've got butter. I've got honey, and this honey is infused with Scotch bonnet. So it's a Scotch bonnet infused honey. You can use any honey that you want, totally up to you. Hot sauce, not pepper sauce, not Caribbean pepper sauce. This is more of that Frank's Red Hot kind of thing, that Louisiana kind of style, where it's based more on sort of a vinegar based. And I'm going to go in, the other ingredient is some black pepper, and that is it, ladies and gentlemen. There's nothing more. And I can see my butter is already starting to melt, so in goes the hot sauce. Just use your favorite hot sauce, yeah? Now, that said, if you wanted to use some Caribbean style pepper sauce, you want to add a couple tablespoons of that for that extra heat, you can. I am using the Scotch bonnet infused honey to get that sort of Caribbean vibe in the finished sauce. And you can't have hot honey without the honey, so in goes all of that lovely Scotch bonnet infused honey. And finally, I'm gonna go in with just a tiny bit of fresh ground black pepper, maybe about half a teaspoon or so. And this is optional. This one here is optional. I just like the different layers of pepper. When I say pepper, this sort of heat. So we got the black pepper, we've got the Frank's Hot, and we also got the Scotch bonnet in the infused honey. All I'm going to do is swirl that, and later on, as the butter starts melting, that butter is straight out of the fridge. As the butter starts melting, I'm going to go in with my whisk and whisk that together. You can see that butter is starting to melt, so I'm just working that all the way around, and it's going to give it that lovely sheen as well too from that butter. We don't want this to cook. I'm just bringing this up to temperature. As soon as the butter melts into it, I'm going to hit it a quick whisk like so, just to incorporate all those flavors, and then we're done. It's that simple. I've got tiny bubbles trying to come up, so I'm going to turn the stove off because I want the residual heat to finish melting that butter. And there, ladies and gentlemen, you've just made hot honey buffalo sauce. I invite you to continue watching the video as I'll show you how I fry my wings, how I season and fry my wings for slapping this sauce on. Yeah, just look at that. Look at the sheen I was talking about, yeah? Just beautiful, man.